know if we're streaming or not. Oh, I think we might be. Gots to look. Gots to look. Let's go on Twitch real quick. Make sure that's working. Oh, what's all this? Do need to change a few things out. Looks like, but extremely creative. Oh, I need to hear if I'm. Let me hear Twitch real quick. Oh, testing. Testing. What the heck? Why is it so low? Echo. Oh, it's not that bad, I guess. Test. Man, this is like full. Let me go a little higher. Echo. Yeah. Alright, whatever. Let's do this. Stop this. Make sure that mix is working too. Oh, it says offline. What? Why does it say offline? What? Why? Twitch worked, huh? Oh, restream. Facebook's good. Mixer is definitely offline now. Mixer is offline. What? Why? Oh, shoot. Alright, I'm gonna have to restart this damn Barcast actually. Oh, I will be back. I promise. Well, that was something weird. How do I restream now? Social alerts. Did this not do what I said it to do? Neko World, Neko Ghost World. Oh yeah. Okay. Let me see my face. Alright, that's me. Oh shit. What's up, Surfuku? So it's been a good while since I've actually streamed at all. Welcome back. VR game? This is not a VR game. My next game will probably be a VR game though. I apologize. I know. Did not follow up on my on Contagion. No 3D rudder. Not this one. No. Next one though, I promise there will be a 3D rudder. There will be a 3D rudder. I promise. I just gotta get this game out fast and fast. I guess we'll put it on Twitch. Be easier. It doesn't really matter. Where are we at? Streaming. First stream of Ghost to Jump. Excuse me. Alright, where else can I spam this link at? Oh, there's no music, which I do apologize now. Alright, there we go. Alright. Promotional stream. Social game dev. Man, I feel like this is still loud. Cannot hear my own self think. I guess it's kind of boring in the background, so let me put at least the game up, intro up. I'm opening it through Perforce. We're on UE4 4.23.1. 21. I think we started, well, see, so for y'all that don't know about Neko Ghost Jump, we started Technically, it started as a UE4 Jam submission, Game Jam submission back in May of this year, actually. Yeah, time's like going way too fast. So May of this year, and May of this year, basically, and we just felt like it was an easy enough game to just, you know, go ahead and do. I gotta figure out Twitch's. I meant to put Unreal Engine 4, but oh well. I guess I won't be able to do that right now. I'll have to go spam some channels. I kind of like how my thing looks like. Excuse me. Alright, I'll run this in the background. I don't think there's any damn audio. Shouldn't be any audio. Oh man, it plays really crappy without my input there. Ah, it does have audio. What? Ah, messed that up. I want to spam some other links. Where can I do that? I can do it on my phone. Never mind. Oh, you guys watch this back then. Trying to spam my streaming. I can't. What the hell was that? Wait, what? What's that? Wait, what? What is that noise? Wait, what? Whatever that noise was, something brand new in the game. I don't know, somebody put some crap in there. This is the intro to the game. Currently out on demo on Steam. Now, this is like really loud. The games should be fine. Okay, that's that. We have controller support and keyboard support for PC. Plays a lot better with the keyboard though. Or sorry, not with the keyboard, with the controller. Alright, so that's that chat. Where's the restream, man? That's what I'm missing. I was trying to figure out why restream chat. I was not looking at the restream chat. Cannot continue. Oh my god. Why? What just happened? Cannot continue. What? What the fuck? Always something, man. Always something. Restream chat. Download. Put on the music in the background while you guys see me waste a little bit of time. Which you are live. Tell friends that you're streaming live or check. What? This looks like oh, this is Mixer. What the heck? Yeah, you guys can see me fumble around for the first time on chat because that's how that shit rolls. Launch chat app. Oh, I can just launch it. I don't have to download it. That's probably even better. Hooray, the chat is waiting for new messages. Okay, then. Excuse me. Connected. Okay, they're all connected. That's good. Let me make this a little bit better here. Okay, there, and restream's on the left. This is a little bit better. Excuse me. All right, so let me tell you about what I've got going on here. So again, history. Excuse me. Neko Ghost Jump is basically, excuse me, is start out as a game jam submission, and we decided to move forward and continue production. We thought it was a pretty simple, quick, easy task, or easy enough game to complete. Right. So the goal of the excuse me, the goal of the project is, you know, one of many really, but the biggest factor is time. Right. We don't want to, as you all know, especially indie game, indie development, is the longer you are on one single project, the riskier the project is, and the riskier your financial stability is, right? You don't know. You could be working on a game for 2, 3, 4 years, and you have no idea if it's going to be a hit or miss, right? So one of the goals for my company anyway, will be rapid iteration on projects. Whereas I can get out, at the very least, it's a little flexible, but this first game, I'm trying to get done by a year, right? Somewhere around the year mark, right? There's no official release date, right? But my goal is like to try to get it out by, you know, in 1 year. So that makes it, you know, next year, mid next year, May June-ish next year. Is it possible? Yes. With this game, with this, with how we have everything going right now, it's totally doable, and which is one of the reasons why we chose to pursue this to production. We don't want to, you know, we all have lives and stuff. We don't want to risk. Well, obviously, we just don't want to risk being poor, right, for the rest of our lives, or wasting a whole bunch of money. So, currently there are 10 developers working on the. It's myself included, and you know, I'm head honcho. Then we have 2 sound devs, one doing music comp, and the other one doing sound effects. Then we have the art lead, and the art lead is in charge of 2D UI artist, 2D/UI artist, a 3D environmental artist, 2 character artists, a concept artist, and I think that's it for the artist. Then we have an additional programmer. You know, I'm also a programmer by trade, so and I think that rounds out to 10. I mean, Pretty sure around 10. We're definitely heavy on the art side, which we need to be because a lot of these are marketplace assets that we want to get rid of and stuff. So one of the things is basically trying to modify everything, either brand new or either brand new assets or modify existing assets so they're like there's really no way to distinguish them from the regular marketplace assets. Again, quick iteration is the goal here, so we try to make everything as quick and easy as possible and cost effective. Excuse me. We are using Confluence for documentation and then obviously Jira for project management itself. Where the heck? Oh, I don't know how to get. I don't like how they set this up, but I'm actually just gonna click on one of these because I could care less. What is this now? They're great individually. Okay, I already know that. So this is Confluence. It's actually gone really slow over the past couple of days. I've been bitching at Jira on Twitter for a while now. I don't know what's going on. It is like ridiculous. Our sprint again. So this is something that's wrong on their end, but our sprints are 1 week long. So, but they don't take into account the weekends, which kind of sucks. So basically, they're saying it's 1, 2, 3, and then 4, which is Monday, right? This is the last day. But technically, we also work on weekends, right? Whoever doesn't get their task completed by Friday has to work on weekends to make sure that they get their stuff done by Monday. Excuse me. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You know what? Also, we use a program called Monotask to monitor our time, and I totally have not been monitoring my time this morning. So the reason we're behind Monotask is so that another aspect to this development is we're all on royalty. So I guess I'll put streaming or some shit, whatever. We're on royalty, so we have to track out all the hours and stuff like that, right? Once everyone who's on board gets to actually a completion stage and releases the game, then everybody gets paid whatever percentage they actually worked on the project. Excuse me. So now I'm tracking my hours. So this is our overall game plan. This is back in May, though. Like you can tell, this is a little old. Our scope back then was tutorial levels for onboarding, which we have, and it's actually the demo currently that you can download. We also have grassland biome. So grassland biome's already done. It's jungle now, but the desert is done. The Iceland is what I'm going to be working on this week. Then we got Hell and Heaven, but that's not really like Hell and Heaven. It's more like Sky and Underground, but it's going to be kind of, it's the same-ish. We've got 2D and 3D working pretty flawlessly. Enemies work in 2D and 3D kind of is I guess it's buggy-ish, but it's actually not. We're going to make that into a gameplay feature where you can get enemies stuck into the blocks and stuff like that. So we got a whole bunch of perspective puzzles. We haven't actually gone to ghost puzzles, so we'll have to come back and go back around. Combat system, fluid. I'm not sure if fluid's the right word for that, right? We got leaderboards in, we got gamepad support. Well, at the very least, Xbox support. We are going to do the space biome. The water biome, I totally forgot about, so I guess we're not having that. But we if we get enough to it. But there's going to be also, we would like to see some bonus levels. Like maybe individually, the team members can create one level each. It's kind of weird. I don't know. I don't know if that's gonna happen. It's more like it's already hard enough trying to have somebody dedicated to level design and then having them understand the full like how everything works, and then having random people on the team just do a level. So I don't know. there's an option there. We could do some Steam Workshop, or there's a new thing called Mod.io or whatever for modding, so that everyone can create their own levels. That's a possibility, but that's like not in scope right now. You know, obviously we have a whole bunch of documents, right? A whole bunch of documents. You got the story, you got different game mechanics. You know, I took a long time for a lot of these documents back in May before we started like full production. So it took a whole week, and we just like crunch. Hike actually helped me out with some of the stuff like the enemies and bosses, because that's trying to have him. That's his baby basically. Trying to think. But yeah, I mean, it's nothing too crazy going on here. And then, you know, Jira, can't just say what up. You know, these are all my tasks already for this week. New X popping up some random stuff. The you know, stuff that need to get done. I already got a whole bunch of random stuff. So red's the bugs, blue's our regular task. Gonna try to figure out what this bug is. I think I've already figured it out that it's a it was a collision issue on the jungle. So that's where actually we're gonna go right now. Oops. Maps production jungle. I think it was in 2. So the problem is, which I gotta redo some of these levels actually. Was it not in 2? I guess it was in 3. Alright, so did Twitter actually ever set my thing? I can't remember anymore. Black Friday. Ooh, 70%. Oh man, they haven't gone up to 90%. They stopped doing that, huh? On the marketplace. It's kind of lame. Oh, it did do it. Anyway. Alright, so we got... Alright. I'll confirm here. Twitter's only doing it from my personal account. Oops. I'll have to fix that later. Alright, it's fine for now. The jungle. So the problem here is this box. No, it's not this box. It's this box right here. It acts really weird. It acts like ridiculous, actually. And once you get, especially when you get into 2D. Excuse me. All right. Oh shit. Yeah, we got a couple things we gotta fix, but so this box seems like it's worked. I don't know. It really acts really weird. It's obviously simulating physics. Well, maybe it's not obvious, but it is simulating physics. I do have it locked on X and Y, so it shouldn't be doing any kind of like random angular movement. But sometimes you can see it kind of bouncing up a little bit, so I don't know what's going on with that. Do need to fix that. But the issue is not even that. So if I go here. Acting all weird. Oh, there he goes. Alright, so... Oh, that's weird. What? Alright. Oh, it wasn't working before. Oops. The collision's done. Alright, never mind. So somebody already fixed the collision. Or maybe I don't know. It's probably Alexi. So one of the issues was one of the part of the puzzle, which I need to fix this block right here actually, is that it needs to move over here, right? No, there's something still wrong with this block actually. I'm not like thrilled about how this box moves. Yeah, the box is really weird. Yeah, okay, that's what I need to do. Yeah, alright. Well, there's a couple things issues. Well, also, this is why I want to fix some of these levels, because it looked like I could make it over there, but obviously that wall over there I can't because it's blocking me, right? So, duh. But it's a combination of that when it comes with the post-processing, because when you have this, yeah, I need to fix this later. But I need the art to get fixed first. Seems like you can do it, right? And technically, you're supposed to go into 2D mode here when you are going here. So a lot of people are totally gonna just try to do this. Alright, go there. Yeah, I already messed that up. So that's a terrible little puzzle we got going on here. Want to fix, but the point of me is fixing this fucking box. This box. This fucking box. So the box. Let's go for the box. Oh man. Bum ba da bum ba da bum ba da dum 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 bum ba da dum ba da dum ba da dum. So the box. Alright, let's see what you got going on here. Alright, so only the cat form can actually push it, which is a lie because I'm pretty sure I saw the damn ghost do it before too, which is a problem. I don't want the ghost to be able to push the damn thing. What? I swear I could do it. Alright, hold on a second. What? I don't know. I'm pretty sure. No? Whatever. Alright, so I guess that's not a bug anymore. I'm simulating physics. Alright, sorry about that. Something really in my throat. Okay, so that's what I wanted to do here. Retweet. Push in, simulating physics. The hint timer. So there's a hint timer in case, like, for the tutorial, in case people don't know what they're doing. I need to add a line trace down the middle point down so we can get gravity when needed. Nice. That's probably still good. We'll get to it later in a second. Okay, so let's see what's going on again. When is it acting up? Is it acting up when it's ghosting? corners? Is that what's going on? Huh. Show collisions. Excuse me. Oh, well, crap. Yeah, so the box is already messed up. Oh, it's interesting. Alright. So, seems it's actually not the box, probably more the switch is actually the problem. Wonder if it's teleporting the. Nah, can it be? It could. It's blocking platforms. Alright, how about. Just add a second one here. It will get fixed, hopefully soon. That means I need to move this box. Probably somewhere around here. Hell no, it still don't work. What? You know what? Right now I think I know what's going on here in the box. Okay, good. And then call you the 2D collision. Before I forget. Nope, that is totally still not working. It should be working. Sorry. Let me see what's going on with the perspective blockers here. TP clicking, box clicking. No, it's totally blocking. Pushable box, pushable. Enable querying physics. Actually, is this enabling querying physics? Those have been enabled. Let's see a second here. Now, just still around here. Neural physics. Alright. Shouldn't be blocking it now. Excuse me. What is wrong with you, block? Or switch? Let's do a scan. Show collision. So much. Why Why do you not like me? Alright, fuck. Let's get this thing. Go back to my map. Excuse me. Oh, I gotta move my guy over here. Dude. Oh. This is one of the new characters. Alright, here we go. So, yeah, what the fuck, dude? I swear this box. Why? Why does it act like that? Do. Oh shit. Alright, so man, how about the teleport? Pushable, sorry, pushable. Show collision again. What is this one right here, actually? Oh, wow, it's just moving by itself. But why? Ah, okay. Oh, that'd be scaring the heck out of me. Alright, box. Tell me something. Something I'm pushing the stand constraint here. Alright, what can I do with this fucking thing? So I got X and Y are free. Then Z locked, so it shouldn't go up. X and Y. What happens if I limit? What does limit mean? Limit to distance allowed between the two joint frames. Distance applies on all axes. And one axis means a line. Two axes implies a circle. Three. Alright, let's see what's going on here. What happened there? Let me do some experimentation here. Yeah, that makes it worse. Okay. Actually, I can't even move it anymore. So that didn't help at all. Whatever, I want to use a soft constraint now. Angular, swing motion, twist motion. Let's Google some of these terms here. I'm not a physics nerd, so I don't know. 3-4 physics constraint. Ooh, there's like a whole guide to it. Set the physics constraint. What's that do? I totally know what I want though. Reading these docs real quick. Physics constraint actor, but it's actually the component that I'm using, so I guess it doesn't really work that well either. Regardless though, physics Constraint reference, maybe? Yeah, maybe this is it. This must help me out. So right now, oh, I got somebody. Oh. So let's see what we got going on. Extreme actor, joint, okay. So I don't think this is really the joint stuff. It doesn't matter to me. Constraint behavior, table collision. No, we don't want that. Well, actually, let's find out. Where's that at anyway? Let's see what happens there. Well, that happened, so whatever. Ooh. Man, I don't remember it spazzing out like this before, which is really annoying. Body will be projected to fix this. No. Now, this doesn't have to necessarily be a physics problem, but just in case it is. Alright. The only other thing that I have changed, physics, is I changed the physics on the bounce threshold, which I don't know what the hell this was. This is probably a pretty low number though. Let's go 50 real quick. Alright, check that out. I totally did not do anything. Yeah, that's not right. Oops. Contact. Creating a fit shape. We're looking at bounds. Contact offset. Alright, let's see if we can do the pushable. What? Platform. Oh, wait a minute. What? Shit. No. Do collision. Preset. Platform. Should also block that. This doesn't help right now, but it might help later. This is collision enabled. Okay. So now, let's see. You do your thing. Where's CCD? One thing at a time. Shouldn't matter though, but that doesn't help at all for that. Alright, let's do this. Oh, ho, ho. Show code quick again. I I really think it's some kind of either something with the collision or something else entirely, but I mean, honestly, yeah. But it's like moving on itself. Without me pushing on it at all. Huh. Something. Not X and Z. Wait, what? Alright. Well, that was wrong anyway, so that's one issue. Okay. This box. It's 2D box, 2D box, 2D box. It says a world dynamic, but it should be a. I think what it should be. Platform? Box. Do your damnest here. What is up with this box? Oh no, it's totally not doing anything now. Hey, it really does not want to move now. Oh, that did not matter. Okay, I want to. No collision. This isn't going anywhere, right? Is there? Just want to make sure the teleport part is not what the problem is. It is. Man, it does not look so weird. That just doesn't look right. No, it has nothing to do with the teleport either. Oh yeah. Alright, so none of the teleports. Alright, go back to whatever it was. I don't even know what projected means. Like, what the heck? No clue what that is. I'm just gonna fuck around with these settings real quick. Oh shit. No. Alright. Da 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 da. Texture, what are those? No problem. No problem. Alright, so what else could it be? Oh no, I'm a little lost here. Let's check your oh, we're still using this, huh? What is the collision on this? Shoot, where's the collision? Simple box. Oh, I'm gonna delete this one and do a little bit more sexy thing for you. Tell me what's going on with you. Not that didn't help, but it takes forever to. Pretty sure this is worse. Hey, what? So weird. Cool. What if we reduce this down to 2? How good is that now? Angular movement. Yeah, we already did that, but let's go down to 0 again. Let me see what happens here. Boom, boom. No. Doesn't seem like it did anything. Alright. Oh, come on, kitty. You can do it. Alright. That didn't help at all. What plane am I doing? I'm doing X and Y. Let's see what's going on here. How does that happen? Oops. Actually, does this fall now? Oh shit. Yeah, totally broke that. But I could change it, but I don't think this is working anyway. Oh man. Why is this block such a Alright, if I lock you. Actually, I don't even want to lock you. Lock means doesn't do shit. Alright. So Z is what I don't want to do. Is it flipping? This box, giving me so much of a headache. I don't know. I feel like. Alright, so if I Z, we definitely don't want to do that. So we don't want to do any kind of rotation. Excuse me. Why is this box such a weirdo? Ah. I'm gonna double this. I have no idea what this is gonna do. Stabilizer threshold. Stabilize. I'm gonna double this too. Alright, let's see what we got going on here. Well, that didn't fix that problem. I don't know. I almost just am gonna give up on the whole physics simulation part and just fucking move it. I think I'm over it. Audio physics sucks. Doesn't help. Yeah. I think I'm just over it with this. Oh, money. What else could we do here? I didn't get my steps in. What else? I think I've already used up all my luck here. What? These things should never. This physics constraint. This physics constraint. Oops. I don't think this is a problem. However, we're gonna try everything we can before we completely give up on this thing. Also, I noticed something that was weird. In 3D, I do 0. What? 2D. 2D box collision. Okay. No, it's fine. Man. Do I not have, let's see, Game Jam version? Shoot, it wouldn't matter anyway. Okay. Well. Let's pretend. Gonna test something out now. Oh, where did the music go? Shoot. Video pause. Continue watching. Yeah, dude. What the heck? Oh. Alright. Let's see what we got going on here.                                                                                                               'Cause 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 Let's see what I got going on here. Actually, let me just switch out this box real quick. Cute. I don't have a cube at all. Alright, let's test this out. Something out. Design. Test. Trying to think if I really need. Nope, I just want to test it out. It doesn't really matter. BP underscore pushable block test. Oops. Time's up. Okay, about an hour. Cool. Alright, so what do I want to do here? If I move the, I don't want to move the damn block on tick. I don't want to move on it. Alright, doesn't really matter actually. We just gotta test it out. Test something random. See how this goes. What's the thing called? Crate. It's crate. Ugh, we're not gonna apply physics. We're actually gonna move the whole actor. Just gonna do some bullshit here. Actually, can we just grab the other ones? Copy, paste. Delete that. Oh, what the hell? Screw down, brother. Whatever. For now. What? Whatever. For now, it'll work. So now, got this. Oh, what's this doing? Wait, what? Go back to Y. Oh, what the f... Oh, that's weird. How come it didn't keep the, Oh, what? Oh, no. I thought they would keep the, collision settings from the other one, but I guess not. Anyway, not matter. Ignore everything but the player for now. Alright, so we can overlap. Probably actually need to make this thing. So if the other actor is player, has implemented. Implements, does implement. There. I want you to move actor forward. Set actor location. Alright, so this actually is gonna have to do on tick. new direction will be get current. Get actor location. How am I gonna know? Just do a bool. Move and X. Let's see if this works or not, real quick. Does not move an X, so now, oops. Select. Alright. You are going to get your location. Oh no, that's actually bad, huh? It's true. Oh no, which way is which? Well, right now, we'll just worry about one thing at a time here. You're right. If I get the current location, and then basically, oops, damn it, I needed that actually. If this is X, if it's true, just do 1. If it's Y, just do 1. I will disable that. What? Enable tick. Okay, so that's that. Okay, so ugly. Alright, figure that out here in a second. I need to disable you guys now. Alright. I guess it really doesn't matter. Well, kind of does matter. For now, I guess. Might have to set the reference somewhere, make sure it's the same actor. But should be fine. We'll see. So this is moving. This is just a bool to switch in, right? Should be fine. Actually, I have no idea. Oh, I have no idea if this is gonna work. Or how it's gonna look, or how it's gonna do, but we'll see. Alright, where are you? No. Alright, box. Oh, you're like really big too. What the hell? Totally not going very well. What? Are these blocks wrong? What the heck? X. Oh, what? Shit. Why are these flipped? Oh god. It's just easier. Alright. And we will make you even smaller now if we're gonna do this. Why does this scale off? Okay. Alright. What we got going on here? So we're doing some hinky dinky things here to see if we can solve an issue. Okay. Alright, so hold on a second. Do I want to do 4? Do I need to do 4? Is there a way I can reuse this? I guess if I got some weird normal math, do some normal math or something weird, huh? But because I am lazy and don't care. This is gonna be X minus box. And this is gonna be the Y. Is it minus? Pretty sure it's minus. So, alright. So if I'm going up, I almost messed this up. If I'm going to the 25, if I'm going to the Y positive, I want to go on this side. If I'm going on the X positive 25, I want to go behind it. Okay. Now the X minus, if I want to go to the, wait, X minus, I almost messed that up. It's this side. Right, alright, so that's that. The Y minus, oh, Y minus touching this. Wait, what? Oh, okay, I did miss. 25? Oh, 25 is like a lot still. Okay, yeah, I'll fix that later. But for now, okay, so now I still gotta do all this crap now. Okay, I'll copy that right. On, alright. So I can't use a bull anymore, because... Can I? I mean, I could use 2 bulls, or I can just do a really simple enum here. E box movement. I really wish I could freaking disable localized text, especially for enums, by default. X positive. Yeah, I don't like how that looks. X positive. X negative. Y positive. Y negative. Alright. So, box movement. Box movement. Alright, there we go, there we go, there we go. We got this BS going on here. Alright, so we're going to delete all this. Delete this. Use. Ah, crap. Oh, what? Whatever. Okay. Select. Shit, what's going on here? Select. Alright. So. Positive. Negative. Positive. Negative. We'll fix this all up later. But for now... Wait, what is this? This is all the overlap? The ends, okay. Can I just... No, I can't. I really wish I could just... can I create a function? I can... That would actually help. A little bit. I don't care. Stop tech. So, whatever. It's all the same right now. Just testing some crap out. Oops. What the heck? Come on. Okay, so that's a little faster. You guys are now... So what are we doing here? We're actually doing... I guess we're doing the same thing, huh? We're enabling tick. We are setting this somehow. Okay, so Chemo sub, go for it. I could force you real quick. Enable movement. Oh, maybe that's what I should call this. Disable movement. Whatever. I mean, technically all it does is stop tick, but we'll worry about this in a second here. Go there, add this pin. It's a little ugly, but this is just some real quick prototyping. Okay. No, but that's not what I want to do that. What's all this? You can go away. Cool. Okay. Boom, boom, boom. X minus. What? Oh, X negative. Oh. Name. I'm terrible with names sometimes. Y minus. I should probably rename one of these. X minus kind of doesn't sound right. I mean, technically it's right? But no, let's just go with negative. It makes me feel a little bit better. Alright. I guess let's just do this for the sake of post. What the fuck? X pause. Okay. Makes me a little feel. Just oops, tad better. Excuse me. This is Y pause. This is X pause. Y neg. Alright. So should work. I mean, should work. It was kind of working before. Oh no, I didn't. I messed something up. No, did I? Shit. Where's the thing I just did? No. Okay, it should work. Okay, that goes there. That goes there. That goes that way. Alright. Well, shit. Well, it's really slow. Oh shit, that scared me. Not thrilled that it's on tick and moving at 1. What can I do? How can I do it better? Definitely don't want to sweep or teleport for sure. Moving. Yeah, totally not thrilled with this. Does it? Let's go. Let's see what's going on here. Oh, I don't know if this is actually gonna work any better. Yeah, 0.5. I don't know. This actually might not work. This might actually break something. Yeah. Okay. These those even move. What? Yeah. So. Wait. What? World filter. I can't remember which. If it's lower current, the target would be whatever that is plus 1. I don't know if this would make it smoother or not. No, totally not moving. Ah, I totally broke it. Is it higher? I can't remember. Oops. No, totally not. I guess it's just too little. Just fine. So basically, it's never doing that. Okie dokie. I'll have to try later and see. Tries to reach. It should have reached it though. Maybe it's excuse me. Maybe it's too close. Excuse me. So technically, I think this might be a better solution than the physics asset, but I feel like this is just can't even tell really. I mean, I can't really tell the difference. There's probably not. that thing move so fast compared to this thing. Alright, if I multiply... excuse me. I can't find anything. Alright, let me just close all these random things out of here. Don't need that. Close that one. Close that one. Close this. Close that. Let me multiply here. Oops, what? I guess I'm getting 1.5 at least. Let's see what's going on here. That did not do what I wanted to do. My bad, my bad. I totally moved that to... What would I have done that? That would have been... What's that? What's the... 1.5 times that direction? Actually. Nope, that did not do what I wanted it to do. Wait, what? If I did it, if I multiplied that by 1.5, I'm gonna see that again. Where the hell is that going? Where'd it go? Shouldn't have gone that far. There's no way that should have gone that far. But, okay. Whatever, dude. Why is it going that way, though? I don't like how that looks anyway. The, alright, fuck it. Maybe if I multiply by 1, it should still be negative. Whatever, my brain hurts. What's up? Shush. What's up? What to do? I don't know. Hike. We'll find increment output by 4 adding. What? Talking about here? Oh, you know what? You're smart. You're smarter than me. You're actually correct. That's what happens. That's what happens. But still, I want to know where it's going. I want to know why, because even if I multiplied the vector, right? So the full vector is now 50% longer or whatever, or, well, in my mind, it should be 50% longer. It shouldn't have moved that far. Well, that doesn't really help either. You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't know. Oh god, this is so much faster. This is like still slow as hell. Like 500 or whatever in world space, so multi I want moves it to 750. Oh, you're right. See, look at that. See, people, I tell you what, math, game dev math, any kind of vector math is like really bad for me. I am terrible when it comes to vector math. But yes, you're correct. You're right. So the starting position would be, I don't know where I'm at. Where am I when I get out here? Oh, I'm like at a negative number 2. What the hell? So whatever that number is, multiplied by I see. You're right. Absolutely right. See, look at, I love smart people. Smart math people are better. Anyway, so I feel we still. Alright, we never actually checked if we. Oh, shit. Alright, well, there's a couple other things we gotta worry about now. So this is block all dynamic, which I need to make you a platform and. Alright. What? Why is that shit moving that thing anyway? What? Oh, why? Whatever. I fucking these boxes, man. I swear these fucking boxes. Alright. Oops. I still need to add the whole 2D thing, but. Is this moving that thing? Oh. Oh, that's why it's moving it. Hey, what? Why is the box even going through that shit? What? Collisions, 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 collisions. Should be blocking each other. Pushable. This is the old one. The old box is a platform. Why? Why is she getting blocked by this thing? Oh. I'm moving. I'm sending this one. It's not actually sweeping now. Not that it matters, because this will never happen. But no, still not doing it. Oh. But the whole sending thing is definitely doing something. Because I'm not interacting with the. Hey, what the fuck was the whole point of sweep then? Triggers overlaps along the way and stopping short of the target if blocked by something. Only the root cone is swept and checked for blocking collision. Children components move without sweeping. Oh. Well then. That's not doing me shit. Any favors. Alright, there we go. Let's do this again. Oh, now you don't move. What the flying fuck? Are you serious? Oh, well that's annoying. That's so annoying, I don't even know how annoying that is. Alright, let me figure this out in a damn real map here. I don't have anything that really. Let's go to the jungle. Let's go to the one that fucking almost. Ah, yeah, I know. Alright, let's do this fucking test here. And, well, technically. Okay, yeah. That's a problem. A Mega Jam? Nah, this was a spring submission. UE Force spring. What was the damn thing called again? The theme was. Man, what was the theme called again? Other side of the coin. Man, okay, almost forgot that. All right, so now I have an issue. If I do it like this. It's not simulating the physics, right? And that's why I had the sweep on. Oh, God, break. Print string. Oh, I suppose. Tell me what you're hitting already. That's blocking you. Nothing should be blocking you. The block is blocking you? But why? What the? But why, dude? What? You're on top of the block, though. What's going on here? Alright. I'm just gonna go up a little bit and just see something here. Oh. What? My brain. Alright, go back again. Oops. Come on, shit. Oakland. Ah. But this should not be blocking. Ugh, my brain. Excuse me. Special teleport event. Oh, what? But why? Oh, man. Something's not right. This should totally not be blocking any platforms. This is just a trigger. Do I want? That's a good question. I don't think I ever thought about this. But should movable blocks teleport? They probably should. We'll probably run into a problem later. But I don't make the puzzles like that, so it doesn't really matter. But it could make for some interesting puzzle dynamics in the future, where you have to go in 2D and teleport to a different place. But right now, shit, gotta remove this thing. I think that collision's blocking it. Aha! I was right. Okay, good. Okay, so move it. Ah, yay! Alright, it works. We're good. Fucking good. Jesus. Alright. Production, jungle, go back to you, even though this block is like huge for some reason. We need to remake this damn block. Whatever. Anyways, next. Oops, shit. Grass. What? I thought I just did this. Should have done it in... Oh, my brain. What? These fuckers better not have any collision on them. No, these are platform timers anyway. This does not like me. What? Oh, maybe it was inside the damn thing. Alright, so now we can move it. We don't have to worry about physics. The dirt? Okay, whatever. We gotta fix that too. That thing is like... I didn't like this puzzle anyway. Probably gonna fix this. Oh, what the hell? Alright. We got a couple things we gotta fix. However, I am pretty satisfied with the results. I mean, it took a little longer than I thought, about an hour. But I'm pretty happy with it. I mean, now I just gotta add all the other functionality that it had. Right now it doesn't, fall back. Shit, so I guess, so what are we doing? Alright, so that should be okay. Do I want to, trying to think. What's up, Heavy? I'm doing good. It's been a while since I did some streaming. I figured I'd start streaming the game. I meant to do it for a little while, but it's just been a lot hectic. It's been really hectic actually. Growing the team from 5 of us to 10 of us now. It wore me out. It has worn me out, but now I'm in a good flow now. I can manage. I can barely manage. I won't lie. I can barely manage all 10 of us, but somehow it's somehow we're functioning. We're making it through. Definitely learning. Every day is a new experience. Always got to learn. New people come into the project, and some people leave. Alright, so the pushable block seems to be working. Still not thrilled about this, but I mean, it works. I will have to test it out. I doubt this is going to cause any issues. I guess I can test that out real quick. automatically turn off after I leave it. Da, 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 da. Da, da, da. Yeah, okay, that's fine. And even when I'm on, it shouldn't do shit. So, only when it's moving. Alright. I think I'll be alright. I think we'll be okay. I'll leave this here. Just in case. I need to disconnect it on purpose. In case block doesn't move. Check what's blocking it. What is this? Event tick. Enable by default. Who's blocked? Unactivated. Boom, boom. On with direction block, whatever. I don't know. Moves in that direction. Wish I could disable the zoom bubble thing. I hate that thing. Ah, it's in here too. I don't know. I just don't like it. I'd rather have this and then like a big ass letter or something. Oh wow, that's a little bit bigger than usual, but I think I only do 36 maybe. I don't know. Whatever. Doesn't really matter. On end overlap. Disables. Disables tick and movement. Well, I guess that's a given, but whatever. Alright, whatever. Some shit like this. Okay, so I did all this. Excuse me. Actually, I cannot put it under the blocks. The base block has a default root. Now, the reason why I did the default root is because... No, actually... Shit. What did I do default root for? Just so I can move stuff, right? But do I actually ever move anything? Oh, tricky stuff. I don't know what would break if I did this, though. Doesn't seem like I do have any references to it. The teleport point? I don't think I ever use anymore either. I can probably get rid of that. That's kind of scary actually. Now I know. Yeah, I'm gonna leave it alone for a second. I guess pushable blocks would be its own little thing. Peace out. Have fun. Take care. I don't know. I don't think we really need the damn default route anymore. Pretty sure all the pivot points are at the bottom. Damn, I don't know. If I do and it breaks something, I don't know. Fuck it. Yeah, I ain't touching it. Not touching it. Not touching it. But I kind of want to, so I'm trying to think here. Should I just do it? Pushable block. No, never mind. I'm not gonna do it right now. I'm just gonna get. Why does the music stop? I don't. Come on, man. Music. Alright, let's do it. Development. On. Alright, let's go with let's see. All right. I want to. I want to take the push-in. Oh yeah, alright, cool. Sell this thing, enable movement. If you're the player, is cat form. So, shoot, I can't do it. One thing I don't like about interfaces, can't make them pure. Not that I know of anyway. Alright, so now I gotta do this again too. And now if you are, I need you to do push in. Okay. A lot of random stuff going on here. Okay, so what should happen here? Go back into the disable movement. I'm just gonna do this again to make sure. Probably should keep the same reference though, but I won't for now. Pushing. He stopped pushing. So now. Now he's doing the pushing animation. And he stops. Alright, so that works. I need to change the translucency on this. Alright, cool. That works. Blah 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 blah. So now the real question is it needs to fall. That's right. So now we do the I had this on tick. Did I really need this on tick? Do I really need this tick? That's a good question. I don't know. Probably don't need this on tick. I can probably do it on a timer. I can start a timer. I already don't like this already, so I guess if I do a thing. Haha! Yes, belly. That is a problem right now. When players in the tutorial level, if you haven't played the game, you should totally play the game. I think I have the NGJ Steam. You should totally play the demo. But I will just try to shoot you a link real quick, I guess. Yeah, I would totally love your feedback on the current direction of the game. Why can't I not find... Oh, really? This is weird. The Steam. Yeah, so right now you can't pull, right? And you're totally screwed. 100%. Did I do it in the wrong spot? I guess I should do restream, huh? So the problem is, I'll show you the problem. Where's the tutorial? I think it's at 3. Come on, baby. Nope, not 3. It's not 2, is it? It seems like way too early. No, okay. Which I do need to fix. A streamer. There was a streamer last night that totally cheated. totally did something that I've never seen anybody do, and no one on the team has done it. So no one's mentioned it before, but totally broke the game. You're able to like see these little gaps. You're able to just jump and dash right over here, which I don't know if I want to leave in or not. It's kind of like I don't know. I mean, speedrunners and glitchers are always gonna find like random stuff, so I don't know. But it kind of totally ruins the whole point of teaching everybody how to do the puzzles, because then people are just like not doing the puzzles, and then they try to get to the boss, and it kind of screwed him up a little bit. First off, he totally forgot how to fight because he didn't fight. He just kept trying to run through the damn level, and then also he didn't really. It wasn't enforced. The perspective switching wasn't enforced. But yes, anyway, so this is the problem. Is here, if you push the block over here, you're screwed. You can't pull it. So I've thought of 2-3 ways, which I guess I might as well just try to do it now. Either A, allow the player to pull. However, that's... First off, I would have to dedicate a button for pulling. And then, obviously, teach them, right? So that's one thing. 2 would be to reset the blocks. To reset the blocks, basically. So when the box goes off the edge and dies or whatever, I just will reset the boxes to their original position, right? So reset the boxes is like another option on quote unquote def. The other option is to have a dedicated button to reset the boxes, or reset puzzles in general. I guess would be like it'd be kind of like an interface. Would be like, oh, reset. Obviously, you can just retry the level. That would totally reset the whole everything too. That's the other option, and then finally just leave it alone, and people will get frustrated and either retry the level or not retry the level. And obviously, frustration is not what I want the players to have. So, yeah. So I haven't like really locked down on what exactly I'm gonna do with this whole box thing. I guess the 5th one so there's more than 3. I guess the 5th one is to redesign the puzzle so the player would never get stuck. So in this instance, it's kind of weird, but I would probably I could do something like. Also, I hate when I'm dragging. Oh, that was actually faster than usual. I could do something stupid like this to enforce the whatever. Just 16 doesn't really matter. I'm not saving this. Like it'd be kind of something like this, where either falls to the ground, or either falls. I'm being picky right now, but so this will never. So basically, the whole point is for this box to get over here, however you want it. It doesn't matter, so that you can jump on this, right? So I could do something stupid like this. Maybe had some random stuff in the back. So I could do it in at the level design level, right? At the level design level, what? That makes sense, but I feel like there's a better way to say that. I can do it. I can do it multiple ways. It's kind of hard. I almost feel like by doing this, I'm closing off a lot of like opportunities, you know, to kind of trap the player, trick a little player. This is like making it like really easy for them. In the future, then I would have to design the stuff to make it, you know, so they wouldn't be, which is one way to do it. But I think I'm leaning towards the either A, allowing them to pull, or B, resetting the boxes. The issue will be on the if I do the on depth one, if they do it on the wall, then it's not dead, obviously. I could do some random stuff where I could put like a what's it called, a trigger box here, and you know, after so many seconds of it being here, I can just reset it. But it might be weird seeing the box reset, especially if a player is like trying to do something and then it like resets. So I don't know if I want to do something like that. So the only thing is, if they drop the box over, that would reset, which I could make it plain. Like I could make a little diagram. I don't know what the heck I would do actually, but it would be like, hey, drop it off and reset it. Or I can try the pull thing, but the pull is like an extra button, and then I gotta, you know, teach it, and maybe some players won't, and I don't even know how it would actually like even look. Do I have an interact button? No, I do not. There's no real interaction, because right now everything's like, you know, if there's a switch, you just step on the switch, right? You basically just step on stuff, and if you want to fight, you know, you go into ghost mode and then you whack it with the right trigger. Like the game's made for speedrun, right? So it's all about trying to get through the puzzles and levels as fast as you can. So like interactions is kind of like not really what I'm going for. If I want to make the interactions quick and simple, right? So the pull thing, it's not out of the realm of possibility, I guess. It probably is doable in some way. Don't save. What could I do? The issue would be, yeah, I don't know. Like, what button would it be? I'm gonna do it on the controller, but like, oh, why is this like so high? I didn't realize this was like so high. So if the player grabs something, let's say they grab a, I guess left trigger, whatever. What the hell? Oh, what? Oh, I totally has never used a controller with the editor. It's actually kind of cool, because, I mean, oh, what the hell? Oh, what? Oh, well, what the? What? Oh. What the? Alright, well, I'm gonna get really lost with this now. I actually did not know you can use I mean, I saw the controller being used like in the windows, but I didn't realize you can pan the camera and all that, but I guess that makes sense. But the other buttons don't do shit, so what the hell? Yeah, I mean, I guess I guess I'm moving the camera? I don't know what I'm doing. Anyways, before I get like really messed up. Yeah, you never do that. Yeah, I don't know. I was just messing around. I just started doing it, so I was like, "What?" I guess it's the camera I'm moving. I don't know. It feels like it's the editor camera that I'm actually moving because of that zoom. I don't know. This is so weird. Like, but anyways, I'm getting distracted. What the heck were we talking about? The pool. So if we did the pool. Oh, if I did the pull, I mean, we could create like chains that they could pull and random stuff, I guess. Pull. Ugh, but then I would have to make sure that they would pull like every single biome should have at least one pulling mechanic, so they won't forget. I like it more when they just freaking push. I don't have to worry about stuff. They remember pushing. Especially when they get next to it, it pushes. Pulling. Man, what can I do with the pulling? So, fuck it. All right, I'm gonna try it right now. I mean, what the heck? It's not like it's not that hard. Okay, so now I need to go to project settings. Input is totally check out. I mean, I don't want to call it interact because I'm trying to feel like this would see. I guess. Okay, I lied. I will do. I'll do interact. Whatever. Okay. I don't like it because the switches, you just jump on the switches, right? You don't interact with the switches. You wouldn't interact with anything like this other than trying to pull. I'll just leave for now. I can think about this later. Harder later. What the hell, Facebook? Oh, Facebook's still doing. Do you need Asia? Oops. You should ask. That's true. It's easier. Do I need it? Let me submit changes. So hold on a second. I'm gonna exit out of this real quick. Where's Perforce? What do I have in here? What did I do in submit engine? Did I do? All right, hold on. First off, what is this? This is the revert. Revert this. Oh, I think that needed to get done. Did I change anything in there? Block base, pushable. Jungle. Okay, I can revert that too for now. Test map. I can leave that alone. Default engine. What did I change? Can I diff here? Diff against. Shoot. Change lists. Oh no, I just want to do the last revision. Shoot, what is it? 23, I guess. Diff. Oh, what did I just change here? Change some. What? Why can't I not scroll? Can I not scroll? Oh, there we go. Alright, so I changed some collision stuff. Probably are good to go with the collision stuff. Hold on, heck, I'm just making sure. I didn't do any. I don't need to revert this. Alright, I'm gonna submit this real quick. Updated collision settings. Cool. Alright, there you go. You should be good. I'm gonna have to look at what else I changed later though. With the other stuff. Put it in stream? Where'd you do that? Oh. Did you? Where? Like a curb that stops the box but still allows you to get to the other side. Yeah, I see what you mean. That's actually not a bad idea. Then I'm gonna try to pull. I mean, it's only gonna take maybe half an hour anyway. Well, I say that now, but who knows? That stupid box took me an hour to figure out. Let's see. Come on. I hate when Unreal opens something for the first time. Well, I mean, I'm sure there's a reason, but so let's get rid of these old ass boxes now. Okay. I already did the interact. No, I didn't. We can call it interact, and we're gonna do left. Ah, then I have to do a fucking. All right, we'll just do it for now. Left trigger. Gamepad left trigger, and then What the heck would the keyboard button be? Yeah, see, I already don't like this. Keyboard option be. What are you doing? Using WASD Q? I don't know if we're using Q for anything. I don't think so. I don't think so. Or E, I guess. E for. Do we have E used anything? No. I'll just do E. E probably is better for keyboard. I don't know. Whatever. Let me think. So now I hit. I still need to go to playable character. It doesn't matter. Go to input. Sorry about the mess. Actually, I can delete some of this shit already while I'm here. So gamepad input. Whatever. Come back to it later. Oh, what the hell? Shit, what the fuck? I think I'm gonna keep this here. I think there was a reason why I left that there. The jump's like really complicated now. Okay, whatever. Event input, or what's it called? I don't remember anymore now. Interact. Alright, so now I still need a box. Should I use a box? I would hope that I would be able to. I'm gonna use a line trace. Line trace for object. Nope, I shouldn't do it like this. Line trace for line. What? By channel? By channel. Alright, let's do this. Where is the cat? Do I have a trace? What's this trace? Trace location. No idea where that is. I'm gonna use you. Damn. Why do we have so many random things in here? I'm gonna have to clean up this cat one later. But don't want to mess up what we got. All right, I'm just gonna add one right now. Screw it. Can I? No. I'm just gonna add interact trace start. Let's put you right in the front, I guess. Shift or control might be better. Yeah, I don't know. So that's the playable character. I need to go back to the inputs, close, tab to the right. So if I press get world location. Oops. Get forward vector. Oh, look. See, I've done this so many times, so this is easy for me. This vector math easy. This I've done way too many times, so this is like shit like that. Interact probably like 50 maybe. I don't know. Not that long. Nah, we'll try. We don't need a trace. We do need a break though. Okay, so if we hit something, we need to figure out what that is, but we don't have a actual. What's that called? We don't have an actual interface yet for this. Interfaces, it should be a player actually. Yeah, this is why I didn't want to do the interact, but we're going to do the interact anyway, just so that it's since that's the only thing that would make sense here. Make it generic. Could technically just make a new interface for interaction, so Nope, I lied. I'm gonna make one just for itself. This doesn't make sense. Alright, because I don't think I could do anything. Framework has that. The gameplay. Nah, it could be gameplay. Nah. I'll just make this easier on myself later. Eventually, we're gonna have to put a majority of the stuff in C++. Especially when we go to consoles, but a lot of it I think we can do nativize? Nativize? No, I don't know. Whatever that word is. API interact. And then we're just gonna go with oops. No, I don't need this, do I? No, I'm actually gonna make this simple. Start interaction. End interaction. Okay, so we got that. Go back to the player. The hit actor implements interact. I mean, technically this is not needed. I know a lot of people. I guess I can just do this. Keep it a little cleaner. Some people are all about, since it's already calling the interface and it's not going to do crap if it's not, with the interface, then whatever. But so if it is start interaction, so now we got the box. Where did that box go? I'm pretty sure this is what would work. Now, class interact. I could probably call this interaction. Actually, it sounds better than interact, right? Anyway, so if I press a button, that means I want to do something totally different. In this case, I want to negate. So this is going to be hard. Okay, so event interact. And then event interact. End. What the hell did I just call that shit? Event. Oh, what? Oh, that's a good question. How do I stop it? One thing at a time. Be pulling. So this one will be. Alright, so that's pulling. Alright, so this is going to be on tick anyway, so it doesn't matter. I can either. Can I not negate this? Vector. Vector, and then if I do this, negate vector. Right? That makes sense? No, wrong way. Negates this way, okay. If it's not pulling, do the regular crap, and if it's pulling, we want to do the opposite. That makes sense, right? I don't know. We'll see. Could be holding it and pushing, so I don't think you want to negate it. Maybe use the active location. Could be holding it. Holding what? Oh, do you mean? Oh, I don't know. Let's find out. I don't know. Oh, that almost worked. What? I found something. Shit, it was working. Now it's not working. Oh, because I didn't end that thing. So how do I end it? guess, actually, I guess it would be this. No. Oh, I'm stupid. You end it. No, wait, what? Might think here. This only works if I'm actually looking at it, so that's a bad thing. If I release it, I definitely want to. Oh, well, let's promote you then. Interacted actor. I should actually put this in a function. I'll do this later. Oops, it's already there. And interaction. When I let go. But also, when I leave, you should. I don't know. Whatever. Let's see how this goes. Okay, so we're doing it. Now I press left trigger. Okay. So, the issue is, it's not tracing anymore, and I'm leaving. Yeah. This would have been fine when I didn't have the character turning around. But now it turns around. Yeah. Let me think. Yeah, I don't know. I don't think pulling. I can trace backwards, but that wouldn't really help any then. Thinking. Let's go back to the box. Right. So what's happening is I'm turning around, and I'm definitely leaving, and it's definitely disabling the movement of the thing. So it's stopping the text. So definitely not. So this is. I mean, it's working as intended. We didn't have pulling before. So if I try to pull though, going too fast. I could slow down the player. Let's try that. I mean, what the hell? Not gonna do anything. No harm here. So set movement speed. Set walk speed. What the heck is it called? Set max walk speed to like. Hey, do I have get default walk speed? I do have that, right? Okay, good. Wait, what? Where's the damn default walk speed? Alright, so wait, let's make sure this works. I always forget what the heck the interface things, if those actually work. If I need to plug something in, nah. All right, 600, cool. So get default max speed, and then you set your sucker here. You, however, if you're doing it, we're just gonna go super slow just to test something out. Might do some stuff. I don't know. Probably gonna screw a whole bunch of other random shit that I don't know. All right. So if I, oh what? Oh wait. Left thumbstick is Oh what? Or not left trigger? Wait, how did I forget that? All right. So we obviously can't use left trigger because that's the dash. What the hell can we use? I guess the X button. Whatever. Left. Face button left. All right, let's do this again. Oh no, I use X. What buttons do I not use? B? Okay, I guess B. I know. This might not work out. This actually might not work out at all. Face button right. Cause now this is a really weird button place in it. I don't know if I like it. Oh, it almost did it. I don't know. I mean, technically it works. I gotta figure out the whole damn. I don't know. It's super slow though. What the hell? Oh, what the hell? Yeah. So this one. What the hell? It was working just now. Oh, I have to figure out what's going on here real quick. I don't know. I mean, technically it works. Maybe he's going too slow or something. I don't know. That shit seems. Rep speed run. It's yeah. That's kind of the problem is. Yeah, it would totally defeat the purpose with the speedrunners. At this point, it would be a lot better for them to just restart the game. However, it does solve. No, what the fuck? Oh, let me just look. The line trace might not be going too far. Where's the input? Where's the input? I should be getting it. Huh. That's really weird. I don't know why. Oh, I don't know. I don't like it. What? Oh wait, what? No. Wait, what is going on here? Do I have to push first? Is that what's going on? Oh, that's something different. Wait, what? Ah, I can't just pull first? Wait, what? Oh, that's stupid. Hold on a second. There's something wrong here. Start interaction. Where the heck is this? Okay. Oh man, the music went died again. What? YouTube sucks, man. Like, what the heck? What's going on here? Oh, am I on YouTube? I didn't even check. If YouTube's streaming me. Oh, you know what? I totally forgot about that. Probably not, huh? Dashboard, YouTube. Oh, Burgos Games. Oh, I should totally be doing. What the hell? I still have like Contagion on some random stuff here. Smashcast. Oh, well, I have to fix that later. Where you set active location on the box, you can check a bool, see if it's interactive, and then switch to using get active location on player to set the box. Where you set active location on the box. Set active location on the box. You talking about here? You can check a bool set by the interface and and if it's interacting, then switch to using get active location of the player to set the box. What? Set active location on the box. You can check a bull set by the interface. If it's interacting, then switch to using the get the active location of player to set the box. Instead of the box location, you mean in here? Yeah, I think it could work. So you're talking about something like this. Where the fuck's the player? Get player character. I have to think about this one. Well, yeah, it doesn't matter because the ghost will never do it. Get actor location. So you're saying you, yep, and then that. What? Oh, you set the execution. You could check a bull. Set the execution, but you could check a bull later. You wouldn't need a line trace. Reset location on the box. You could check a bull set by the interface, and if it's interacting, then switch to using get actor location. What? Of course I need a line trace. I still need from the player. I wouldn't know if that box is interactable. If that's what you're talking about. Which, oh, I was like, what's going on here? What the fuck? Anyway, I would have to zero that out. Go back. Yeah, I still need the line trace though. I would need a line trace to make sure that the whatever I'm trying to interact with is interactable, like and to actually send the interface call to that actor. There's no way I would be able to do that. I mean, not that I can think of right now. I don't see how I could do that. Yeah, I don't think I can do that. The issue is the overlap or the end overlaps. I guess I can just make it bigger. I mean, not what I wanted to do, but shit, they're different. Wait, what? So this should be 50? Nope. Of course not. Is this a 50? Wait, no. Shit. Hold on a second. 25 again. Let me just move this box out. Oh no. I'm pretty sure if I Googled it, I'm sure somebody's already solved this little debacle thing, but the problem is do they look all even? I think they're all even. Let's see. Issue is the player leaving. Now, what the hell? Oh, that's like way too far though. It's like I grab it. It's so funny. Like what? But you have to push it first. Is this not? What? I just don't get why it's not Alright, let me think here. When I begin to overlap, it starts moving it. only when I start doing this. Yeah, but just because it doesn't start, it should still know that I've set that to pulling. Alright, let's see something real quick. So that's false. I know that. Alright. Still false. I have to hold it in though. But why? Still false. I know it's not running. Oh wait. Hey. Something just clicked here. When I click it, am I really not overlapping that thing? Feel like I should be by then. Show collision. Always collisions. Always collisions. So I definitely had that, but I'm definitely pushing it. All right. Let me look at these collisions again. What can I do? What can I do? No, they're not. They're set to overlap, which is what I'm trying to figure out. Is that okay? So I understand as soon as I enter these things, it starts moving, right? There's like no delay. Yeah, a player. I don't know. I think a player would be really confused already, trying to like pull this damn thing. If I interact with it, can I pull the object towards me? Not everything. I wouldn't want everything pulled, and this is why interaction. This is why I don't think interaction is like the right way to do things. All right, let me rename this shit because I mean, we can. I don't like it. All right, so just worry about that in a second here. So if I'm pulling something. For now, I'm going to do something that I probably wouldn't have done. Look, get your location. Get your location. Get actor location. Okay, so get your action location. How do I make it go between me and that? Get the location of this sucker, but I don't want it to be. No, what is it? I need to draw this out. So actors here, box is there. If I hit that trace, I want it to be right in the middle, just to pull it so that the damn stupid thing will be here. That means. Let me verify something real quick before I forget all this. Disable collisions here. You can verify that this is not blocking something else. Something else is not blocking. Before I do anything kind of stupid math. Yeah, okay. Oh, that was a bad idea, huh? Because it doesn't have collision, so obviously, yeah, never mind. That was kind of stupid. Triggers. Yeah, I mean, it's on overlap, so whatever. How do I do half? How do I do halfway point? There's no way. My brain hurts here. No way. What's the halfway point between... Alright, get distance 2. Actually, this would probably be a lot fucking easier than what I was trying to do. Other actor, self actor. It doesn't return the whole vector though. You get the length, divide. Yeah, well that's kind of what the distance 2 does actually. Also. Definitely don't want to take the Z for sure. We'll fix this. I'll fix this in a second. Let me just make sure this even works. What I wanted to do. Set location. I guess you can sweep it, make sure, whatever, doesn't matter. Teleport, sure, whatever. Ah, fucking wrong one. What? Why did like? Yeah, I did something wrong. What? Why is it? You know what? I don't. Did I not do that right? Location of that object. No, I did that wrong, huh? Get a vector. Oops. Get location. I fucking hate math. I don't know. For some reason, this feels like it should work, but I don't know if that even works. We got a couple things that are going wrong here. Yeah. No, that totally did not work. My brain hurts. Get the location of... what? Shit, wrong one. Divided by 2. Right? No? Oh, it worked. Never mind. No, it didn't work. It still didn't work. What the fuck? No, that's not how that works. To get the location of that player plus minus this. No? The location box size divided by 2 plus active location. The player location? Divided by 2 plus add the active location? Let's try it. Let's see what you got. I just want the halfway point of the player interaction and this thing. But I mean, there's something wrong though. All right. There's I need to make break. Make. Break. Don't want the Z. Hey, what? Shit. I hate math. Math. Ah, it's still. Wait, what? Why? wrong? The Z value. Oh, you know what? Actually, never mind. I see what the problem is. It's getting the location of the hit, not the. Oh, my brain. All right, did it work? I think it worked. My bad. I was thinking of something else, and I think it worked. But I do credit you, Belly Arms, because I don't know. That was something wrong with the damn thing. I think. Well, it doesn't go that way. So that's oh. I don't know. Damn, I can't even see. What the hell? I don't know. Alright, let me reduce this thing, because those things are like crazy. Vector math. I just want to draw. See, the next game engine that comes out needs to just allow us to like draw points, and then it just does all, and then it just does all the math by itself, or by itself. So if I want like to get this point in the middle, I could just draw it in the editor or something, and then it just figures out all the math all by itself. Never happened. What the hell was I doing? Shit. This is too big. That's what it was, right? So 15? No. What? 15? Yeah. Now this is bothering me the hell. 15? Because it should be on the Y, but I guess because I rotated it, it's not. That's annoying. Alright. So it's not bad. I mean, it looks kind of weird still a little bit, but I can adjust those later. What I don't get is, yeah, how come pushing doesn't have, what the fuck? Why does pushing or pulling not do the animation? I mean, it's doing something, but is it moving? Maybe, oh, the movement speed went down, right? What? Oh my god. Alright, for now, it's whatever. We can worry about that crap later. What's up, Al? They're over here trying to have some interesting things. I don't like the sound right now. That sound is like really annoying. Like it doesn't mean, yeah. Not a big fan. Yeah. Alright. I guess we need to create a pull-in animation, which now I need to put that in the backlog. Create pull-in animation. Fix footstep audio when going slow. Pull-in. That's actually a bug, so we can probably put that a bug. Come on, baby, where you going for the bugs? This is an audio bug. So we go to Wesley. Cool. All right. Preview 424. Interesting. Vectors. Alright, so what do we got going on? I think I guess we need to put this in a thing. So now I need that's another thing in the backlog. Create pull-in tutorial. Shit. I don't know. What do you think, belly arms? Are you satisfied? I mean, do you think this is something that the players wouldn't mind? I mean, it looks not really pulling, but I mean, maybe they can do it backwards, going backwards. Yeah, everything else works fine. We don't have the fall one yet? Okay. So guess I can delete this shit. Soft locking the puzzle. Yeah, I'm not sure. It's definitely gonna need to get play tested. Definitely needs to get play tested. We will have to see. We will have to see how that works. Block. What's that thing called? Excuse me. So something that we forgot about is what to do here. Do we want to put this into the tick? No, not really. We don't need it. Event. Set timer by event. Begin play. Oops. Oops. We can do, I don't know, 0.2 check or whatever. 4 check timer. Actually don't want to start it there. That's a problem. Well, whatever, I can set it here and invalidate it. Doesn't make sense though. Technically this does not make sense what I'm doing here. I'll fix it in a second. What I want to do is do that. Box trace. Oops. Yeah, I could probably go down a little bit. Somewhere around there. I know. Fuck, I messed up. For trace location. After that, I could probably do all this actually. This. If I clean this up. Do this. We probably need a sound too, if I forget. Boom. Oh, I totally invalidated. Enable movement. Set actor enabled. Shit. Can I not? Oh, wait. I can pause it though? Damn. I forgot what the hell I can do here. Alright. Let's pause you instead. I lied. Go back to you. Do not clear you. Pause you. And then pause, right? Yeah, pause. Check. Da, 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 da. Oh, shit. I know what happened. So now, okay, so that did that. But now I need to... I can simulate the damn thing, get it over with. What? Hold on a second. Shit. What? Of course. What? Alright. I don't need tick, right? Enabled for physics? Do I? I don't think I do. Do I? But this didn't even go off anyway. So what the hell? I pause you. But if it's too late, damn it, that doesn't work then. Pauses too fast, doesn't it? Yeah. Well, that's frustrating. So I can add a delay. I could add a little delay here, just for kicks and shits here. This should mean that it should at least do one. I can go a little bit. Oops. Move this shit over here. Pause. And that went by too fast. But I want to do a couple of these to see what's going on here. Bum. Let's make sure. What the hell? So I gotta fix the 3D stuff. Why did it look like the other one didn't work? Pause is too much. Let's go. Are you fucking serious? Alright. 1 whole second. I could do a retriggerable. I mean, it doesn't fucking matter, but. Oh. What? Wait a minute, what? There's no way. Is it a collision issue? Collisions, always collisions, always collisions. Alright, let's take you. You know what? My bad. Let me, box. Okay. I think I can do this real quick. What? Why is it working all of a sudden now? What the hell? It's going on my thing. Oh, does this sometimes go do it? Oh man, oh, he totally broke this somehow. What the fuck? Am I overlapping this? What? Too long. Whatever, I guess. The delay is killing me because it's pausing it. Pausing it. What's another way to do this then? Retriggerable. Retriggerable. I could just do it on tick. Fuck you. Whatever. This at least stops when we go out. Oops, wrong one. YouTube, did you? Yep, you did. You paused. Fall with no ground. So the problem is this thing's gonna keep falling, right, for a good while. Actually, does it? That's a good question. Print. 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 Do you die? When do you die? Actually, let me see. Still alive. Print string. After they hit the kill Z, alive. I just want to do one of these things here real quick. Do you die or not? Alive. Alright, cool. You do die. Alright, you do die. So that shouldn't be terrible. Okay. I can delete this, delete all this. Where you at, man? Delete that. Delete all that. Delete all that. Control C. How's it going, everybody? Not sure if you guys have paid attention, or I don't know how long you all been here, but it looks like I got a few more people on Twitch. But this is Neko Ghost Jump. It's been in development for about 6 months now. And we're trying to release for PC, Xbox, and PlayStation next year. We're trying to shoot for the Nintendo Switch also, but we've been denied twice. So maybe later. Who knows? Figure it out. Got 10 developers working on it right now. Started off with 5. Now we've doubled that. Currently, I'm working on fixing our blocks, our pushable blocks, to be more exact. And now I've got some I got some weird shit going on here. Can I put this into a function now? Nope. Because the end interaction, I need the end interaction. That was annoying. I mean, I could. Alright, I guess we can clean some of this up though. To bring box to player. Okay, so that's what that bullshit was for. Oh, I guess this is part of that too. Interacted actor. Okay. And interacted actor. Yeah, I think it'll be alright. It's just cleaning it up a little bit. Doesn't look really weird. Interaction. Colon for now. Might get rid of later. Depends on player feedback. Oops. Alright, but that does fix one problem with the blocks. Alright. Let's see what you got going on here. Somebody asking. Oh, it's 1 o'clock. I still haven't eaten lunch, so I'm actually going to stop the stream right now. If you have not followed me on Mixer, YouTube, Twitch, wherever y'all watching me from, please do that. Also, Obviously, there are links on Twitch. I guess I gotta do them over on Mixer too, and a few other places. But on Twitch, I got the info for the website, Neko Ghost Jump. We'll do that right here. GhostJump.com. We also have our Twitch. Our Twitch is, or not Twitch, our Twitter. And I mean, obviously, Burgos Games, I guess might as well just do that. If you could all follow that, that'd be so sweet. Then you probably already found me from my own one. So, oops. Burgos Games. And obviously, we're on Steam for the demo right now. If you all could, if you want to try it out, give me some hard feedback. Guys, I am all about some critical feedback for the game. You can tell me how crappy, how hard, how shitty, whatever, anything you want. I don't care. Tell me, I mean, you can tell me how good it is too, but need all, you know, all the good stuff, good and bad. Yep. So those are the links I just dropped. Should have gone out to everybody. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this. I'll probably be doing this daily for a few hours in the mornings. We have our meetings at 2 p.m. Eastern every day, so kind of, you know, I guess get the stream out a little bit out of the way, and also get some more. Oh, I always get work done, but still, maybe interact with new people in the community. For this box, by the time I stream next time, it'll be done. It'll have all the 2D, 3D prerequisites that need to happen, and a few other things to make it inside the levels, and I'll have it inside the levels by today, for sure. Well, hopefully you enjoyed the stream. Good talk. Thanks a lot, Belly Arms, for your brain power there for math. And catch you all tomorrow. Peace out. It's going. Stopping streaming for sure.